Hello! In this video, we will solve a number pattern. There are 7 spiders. Now we see 10 spiders and the number 10. More spiders have joined the group, and we see the number 14. Now more spiders have joined. There are 19. Notice that the number is getting bigger each time. This is a growing pattern. What number will be next? Let's use math facts to figure out the growing pattern. First, find the differences between the numbers that are next to each other. Then we will look for a pattern. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. The first step in the pattern is to add 3. Now let's figure out the next part of the pattern. We'll find the difference between the next two numbers. 14 minus 10. 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. The next step in the pattern is to add 4. Find the difference between the next two numbers. 19 minus 14 is equal to 5. This step in the pattern is to add 5. Look at the differences between the numbers. We can see a pattern. Each number added is one more than the step before it. We added 3, then 4, then 5. The pattern grows by adding one more each time. What will come next? Yes, we should add 6. 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. The next number in the growing pattern is 25. And that's how you solve a number pattern. See you next time.